Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things, and I am here today to do my first Winter is Coming Wednesday of 2023. It is, as I already explained in the last video, going to be using the Thanks a Bunch set to make a wintry scene. So I have already done some of the boring stuff so that we can just get right into it for the exciting stuff. What you can't see here, oh you can, look at that, it is a white heat embossed scene. The carrots are turned upside down to be trees. And then I used for the sentiment something from the annual catalog that is current. I had a heck of a time finding something to use that was a holiday sentiment. So Inspired Thoughts has peace, joy, love. And I am going to use wishing you all the beautiful gifts of Christmas. So I am going to be messy here. We're going to use the soft sponging brush, and I'm going to use a silicone craft sheet that I do leave in its packaging. And this is what it looks like, and I'm going to put some Starry Sky, which is this year's one of the in colors. It's a purpley blue. So I'm going for a winter scene, and I have some white, a white grid sheet I am using to protect my desk. I've already had a heck of a time today crafting, doing some Valentines. I'm working on my Valentines from the paper pumpkin kit, and so I have been making a big mess. So hopefully I will keep from making a big mess doing this. All right, so the last color that was used on this was blue. I see that it was Tahitian Tide, I think. So I'm just seeing what my colors are going to turn out like. All right, so the other thing I did was took a full sticky sheet and have two snow drift stickums. And I am going to start with this one, actually. And let's just see what kind of mess we can come up with. I haven't done this in a very long time. So I used the flakes as snow at the top. I talked about that, where the shapes of these I think make good snowflakes, or they also make good hearts, I think. Let's see. Now I'm hoping, and we'll see how well this works. Now I want a fainter line. Let's see how that looks. Yep. I'm just reversing them, flip-flopping them. And then at the end, I will trim this down. And I think what I'm going to be doing, these are once a month until July, when I pick up and do them once a week. So I will probably go away after I am done with this scene, and I will do some things with it to dress it up. I may even do another one. I see that my wishing you all the beautiful gifts of Christmas is crooked, but I don't care because I will trim it down. So you guys tell me what you think. I am going to get a towel, a paper towel, so I can clean off these trees. So you'll see that there's the edge from the mask, but as I clean off the ink that was on my trees, those lines will go away. So next month I'll come back. I will have done more of these, and we will just do a revisit, and I will reveal my finished version of this. I think I'm going to be making multiples, because last year I ended up sending out triple the amount of cards I normally send, and then I also sold some at an artisan market here. So it ended up, I think it was over 100 cards. So I will be coming back. I like this treatment. You guys let me know what you think of these carrots set up as winter trees. And so I think I'm going to do 3 or 4, and I will trim them out. I will dress them up with what I have from my current supplies. And I will put the supplies used on this particular one. Again, thanks a bunch, is a card that you, listen to me, is a stamp set that you earn for free. You cannot buy this, and you will only be able to buy it used after it is retired. It's available for you to order with the purchase of $50 worth of product, pre-shipping, pre-tax. And you can go to my website. I have the link. It's actually just my website, stuffandthings.com/shop. And then there will be a category for celebration that you can see the free items that are available. And I will be doing more videos on the different free items throughout this month and next month, and the celebration will end the end of February. All right, so I would love to know what you think of my inaugural kickoff quick project for 2023's Winter is Coming Wednesday. And again, I will trim this all down, and next month come back and we'll spend a little bit of time at the beginning of the second episode going over what I did with these, similar to what I did last year. I think last year I did a VW bug for a Christmas, and then I came back and had it done up a few different ways. So we're going to continue that tradition. And again, I will come back now in the next couple of days with my Valentine version of these carrots. We'll see how well I do. So leave your questions, comments, or concerns here on the video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.